Hello everyone, this is Ritika Kanuchia and you're watching Textile Value Chain. Today we are going to interview Ms. Bhavna Debana Sharma. She is Director of Fabian Textile, and Manoj Kumar Sharma. He is also Director of Fabian Textile. Hello sir.
Hello, ma'am.
So can you introduce yourself in a brief and about your company and what are the innovation you are showcasing in this exhibition today?
Actually, we are into 100% cotton open end yarn, and initially we started our company in 2018. After that, we did in agency and trade, and now we are coming into the manufacturing. In 2026, we can say that now India is growing too much with the EU deal, so many Australia deal and all. So textile environment and business will be very good in future. There is no problem.
So do you, watching current scenario, do you facing any challenges in India about your product?
Initially, when this we had faced challenge when Trump had put some tariff on India. After that, now it's okay. Now situation is much better than earlier. We have enough demand. I mean, we are fully booked up till August end. Now we don't have anything to offer you.
Okay. So what are the latest yarn or fiber innovation you are showcasing at BharatEx 2026 and what market challenges they addresses?
We are showcasing initially Comber Noil, our 100% cotton yarn made by Comber Noil and only Sankar 6 cotton, which is suitable for especially for denim, home textile, bottom and all. And we are facing challenges initially with, from Pakistan, Bangladesh, which they are selling at a lower price. But now after EU deal and deal with other countries, now we are okay. We are very far competitive than Turkey, Egypt, Bangladesh and all.
So what is your expectation with BharatEx 2026?
We are expecting that we can find a good customers base over here with the good data. Some overseas customer also are here. So we will have a good connections and we will able to sell in a big quantity.
So how are you balancing quality, scalability and cost while meeting the increasing demand for sustainable products?
Sustainable products, initially our raw material is very quite competitive, so that with the Comber Noil, with the 100% cotton fiber, we are able to compete our competitor, especially in sustainable.
How do you ensure traceability throughout your fiber and yarn supply chain, and how important is transparency for your international customers?
With the transparency, we will provide them even invoicing from farmers to jeaner to spinner and then garment. We have a value added chain, completely chain, which we will provide all the invoices to make sure that this is made by Indian cotton with the sustainable and by the value chain system from farmer to the fiber.
So what are the benefit you are going to give Indian customers?
Indian customers here we are giving at a very competitive price because the transportation is cheap here, and with our new machines we can able to meet their quality standard also.
So last but not the least question, what are the message do you want to say to the people who have not visited BharatEx 2026?
They will miss huge opportunity, especially they can have a very good database, very good suppliers over here who are offering cotton, PC, cotton, all kind of product. If they come, they can have a good database also, and they can get at a very good price. Also, a relationship is important when you meet in person, so you can have a better relationship for the future.
What is your future target or vision?
My future target that we will able to, right now we are manufacturing 20 tons. In future, like 27, 28, we are able to produce 30, 35 tons. And our vision is very clear. We are into 30% we want to do in domestic market, but our main focus is export yarn.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your precious
Thank
work.
you. Thank you.